Python, how to offer a single executable file without showing the code in 2020. Stack Overflow has many questions about how to give someone else a Python script protecting the source code, how to compile Python files, how to create packages and deploy the code. But I could not find the answer to my problem. I want to give someone else my Python script, without giving him the source code. My current attempt is compiling the file and giving away the Python file. This is for sure not the best solution. Moreover, my code is made by different files. To offer a single executable Python file, I put the code all together in a single file before compiling it, a true hell for a developer. How can I obtain my goal in a cleaner way? Side notes. I know Python files are not going to hide so much, but it is for sure better compared to giving Python files. Still, Python files can be incredibly problematic, as they can be system dependent.
You can create a X file using PyInstaller. Then, open terminal in your source code directory and use the command. If you have database connection with Python file, then it can be added using here. Shows database.db is a source data file and it will copy on the top level of your Python application.
Using PyInstaller sourcecode.py1 file, command will generate an executable file on Windows. This can be a way should it be desired to shut the functionality but hide the code.
There is tool, which might help you to achieve described outcome, but only if destination machine is able to run exe files.
Violenta 19, Praça da Agência Civil.